Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Make Market. Palm Hut, if I'm not mistaken, because I already threw away the package. I think it is called Palm Hut, but I can be wrong. So this is a pretty small kit in the size of 11 by 14 inches. I purchased it at Michael's a few weeks ago. It came with 35 colors, all of them were acrylic and with magnetic frames, so this way I do not have to worry about framing this kit. It was diamond painting pretty fast because of a very small size. I completed it in less than a week, but as you can see, of course, I customized this kit, especially on the bottom of it, and enhanced it with white AB drills, with crystal drills here on the sand, and I also replaced 3 colors with crystals here on the windows to show the illusion of glass. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks very detailed, but of course it doesn't really have too many objects. But what I love about Make Market, they always design their kits to fit the size when it comes to detailization. They never look pixelated. They have a right amount of objects to look detailed. That's how it looks. It sparkles way better off the camera, but since the majority of drills are acrylic, they not sparkle as much as I would like it to be. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks hanging, and while it's hanging on the door, I think that you can see the sparkle way better, especially again on the bottom, because the bottom area is the area where I used ABs and crystals. That is why it has more sparkle than the top part that is mostly diamond painted with acrylic drills. The only thing that I replaced one green color over here with AB from Diamond Dots, and I actually like it very much. Now when I'm looking at it, I do notice that I didn't really do a very accurate job when it comes to the sky, the white background. The rows are not very accurate and even, but it was my fault because I was using a multiplacer. So that's how it looks. If you are thinking of purchasing it, that's how it looks completed. If you like the final result, go ahead and buy it. And the price is pretty cheap. $15 US, 22 Canadian if we round it up. But as you know, Michael's always has coupons and sales events, so you can get it cheaper. I think I bought it for $10 if I'm not mistaken. The next kit that I wanted to show you is this gorgeous mirror that I purchased from Temu. I didn't really do the unboxing because I was very upset about the tariffs. Thank God now tariffs are not as bad as they used to be a week ago. But yeah, I got it from Temu. It was around $4. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give you the link because it is no longer available. It came with the crystal drills and special drills, but I replaced transparent white drills with the white ABs. I think it looks better this way. I'm talking about these very crystals. I just like the combination of white and blue color, and I thought that transparent drills won't look as good as white and blue, and it also came with blue AB color. I really love how it turned out. I completed it in like, I don't know, 40 minutes maybe. Please disregard the mirror. It looks kind of blurry, but that's because it has a protective shield on it. I'm planning to give it away as a gift. That is why I didn't take off the shield. The mirror is flawless, okay? It's just an illusion that it is blurry. Okay, that's how it looks. And what I like about this mirror, that it is again practical, right? It's not only beautiful, but also you can use it as the mirror. It can stand on the bed table or vanity. table, and it can also hang somewhere because it comes with the chain. And that's how it looks hanging. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice. The sparkle is amazing. I'm sorry for my reflection in the mirror, my socks and my legs. It's gorgeous. It's very beautiful. If you see something like this in AliExpress or Temu, I would really encourage you to purchase it, but because I think that it would make a really very good gift. Again, practical on the one hand and beautiful, handmade on the other hand. Nobody else has the same, plus you can customize it like I did, for example. And the last thing that I want to show you is this frog. Again, I did not show the unboxing. Unfortunately, this frog is no longer available. I purchased it like a month ago, and no, I think I purchased like 2 months ago, and it took a month for Temu to deliver it. Apparently, they sent it by sea. I have no idea why. It was a small package. I don't know why they sent it by sea. In any case, I got it for my daughter's teacher because my daughter's teacher loves frogs. So my daughter actually diamond painted it. It came with crystal drills, with special drills. The only thing that we customized, we again replaced this very color with white ABs, and that's how it turned out. And this kit also comes with a chain. I haven't put the chain on it yet because the adhesive was very weak. So I touch it like this and the drills move right away. So I'm planning of sealing it a little bit and then giving it away as a gift to the teacher. So these are the kits that I wanted to show you. Again, these two were purchased from Temu, but you can find it both on AliExpress and Temu. Purchase it while there are no tariffs, so tariffs are really very low. And this one is from Make Market. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I will see you very soon.